I should have killed you 15 ninjas ago, Hayabusa. Let's make up for lost time. Nice gimps, Hayabusa. Where's your ball gag? I died. The first time's always the best. Someone had been crazy enough to bring me.
You already racked your eye, Harp. You can't have anything nice.
Who the hell are you?
You can call me Miss Prueba. As the engineer, back together.
Yeah. We missed a couple parts.
And besides, I still have your eye in the fish tank.
You're funny.
You're in trouble. I suggest you start running.
Aren't you a miserable piece of
Shit! Get the fuck off of me!
Like you tried.
You sound so choked up about it. How about you telling me where I am?
Sorry, gotta leave big picture stuff to the boss. For now, your cyber retina can identify structural weaknesses. Take a peek, Ninja Man. Zombie plague even has the military buying balls building systems. Wanted to do a little gardening. Recalibrated your neural interface and online your fine motor skills. You can actually open your hand now and, make stuff up.
You're trespassing in a restricted area. I repeat, Area 93 is off limits. Section R61 is compromised. I repeat, R61.
Settle in Monday.
Use your flail before you go. Whatever the hell you're doing, anyway, the entire building is ready to pop.
One punch, break, it's rain, it's cool.
gonna chuck a zombie at her.
Threat on Bravo! Threat on Bravo! Simulated C is under ninja!
Monday was right about the building collapsing. They don't make them like they used to. That's when I met her boss, Del Gonzo. He was the head of Forge Industries. And also a huge dick. I guess that made him a dickhead.
Hello, my cyborg friend. I hear that you are having difficulties following orders.
I told him to go fuck himself.
Oh, well, such an act, were I to attempt it, would confuse and sadden me, Yaiba, and it would force me to reveal that the power core keeping you alive has a kill switch I can activate at any time, and murder leaves such a bad taste in my mouth.
I cut the conversation short. It turns out he was only a hologram.
You make me laugh, Ninja Slayer. You see, our goals are the same. You wish to kill Ryu Hayabusa, and he is here, somewhere, trying to contain this remarkable outbreak. I put you back together to kill him.
Del Gonzo was still jabbering on when I left. If he was telling the truth, I'd kill Hayabusa, then kill him. If he wasn't, I'd kill him first and then Hayabusa. I didn't have a strong preference.